Hi, my name is David Shaw, and here we're going to talk about project management. Project managers is someone who organizes and manages resources that is necessary to complete a project. Also, here's a short, fun little video below that best explain what project managers do. Here, there are some industries that project managers works into, which are IT project managers, is someone in charge in planning, finishing, and delegating responsibilities in IT. Construction project managers is someone who look at all the process of the building being built on time. Healthcare project managers is someone who identifies the issues and offers solutions, manages and delegates tasks within the healthcare organization. Legal project managers work alongside with lawyers and other professionals to help deliver legal services. And lastly, advertising project managers is someone who plans and oversees the production within the deadline with clients and stakeholders. Here in Minnesota, project managers can make a salary from 40,000 to 100,000, depending on the industry they want to get into and the experience. Here, as you can see, are some typical classes that you will take to become a project manager in school. Normally, for project managers, you got to have a bachelor's degree in order to get in that field. So here, there are some steps to get into project management you have to go through. So the first step is project coordinator or junior project manager. This is a level entry for college students to get their foot in the door to become a project manager with no experience to a year. The next is associate project manager is someone who assists project managers with a year to 3 years with some type of experience in certain industries. Next is, of course, project managers who got to have a bachelor's degree and have 4 to 5 years of experience in that particular field. And lastly, the senior project manager was pretty much someone who oversees all project managers and have 6 to 10 years of experience in project management with a master's degree in that particular field. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about the career field in project management. I hope y'all stay safe during this pandemic, and I hope y'all have a great day.